Renovation. She's a 1998 Ford Transit motorhome, and we've just tidied her up inside. Here we have the wardrobe in front. That was the microwave cabinet. We've taken that out and we use that for storage. All the upper cupboards have been painted inside and out. We already had done the upholstery with starfish interiors. The cupboards. Up the ladder to the Luton where a lot of work was done. With Wenderkeisen doing some replacement work and tidying work from some rotting that had occurred. It was all stripped back, sanded, 2 coats of undercoat, 2 coats of top coat. It is all high gloss enamel oil based, what I like to call real paint. Insides of cupboards were done the same. The drawers were beautifully refurbished inside and out. We upgraded the inside of this cupboard with one of these pull-out sliding baskets, which is super handy for not having to get on your knees underneath there. All the inside of the cabinets, overhead lockers painted as well. She's looking just beautiful. There's something just really appealing about our little old Rosie, who has earned us some good money with rental over the summer. Gotta love that high gloss shine. She's so pretty.